Cleanse face and pat dry. Apply soothing gel generously to treatment areas. Press power button for 2 seconds to activate LCD display. Select desired mode using triangle button on LCD. Place device on skin and press power shot button to initiate treatment. Monitor shot count on LCD for operational confirmation. You can adjust the strength, step 3, with the mode button. Start taking care of the product in the direction of the arrow by keeping it in close contact with the skin. Take care of your skin according to your skin condition with 4 modes. Lifting, tightening, and eye zone modes can be used once a week, and collagen and tone-up modes can be used every day. Briefly press power shot button to pause treatment. Resume treatment by pressing power shot button again. Treatment pauses automatically if rubbing stops for over 1 second. Resume treatment by continuing rubbing motion. Device powers off automatically after 2 minutes of inactivity. Press cartridge release button to detach face cartridge. Attach eye cartridge securely. Eye cartridge auto sets mode. Press power shot button to begin. Apply gel and treat from under eye to eyebrow area. Eye cartridge penetrates 2 mm, ideal for delicate areas. Suitable for eye contour, brow area, nasolabial folds, and forehead. Check me out. My skin can keep up with those in their 20s.